Are motorcycle strobe lights legal? If you are a motorcycle enthusiast considering modifications, you might be wondering about the legality of motorcycle strobe lights. Let's break down the facts to help you understand what is allowed and what is not. Motorcycle strobe lights, which are lights that flash rapidly, are often associated with emergency vehicles. Because of this, their use on regular motorcycles is generally restricted. The laws governing motorcycle lighting vary by location, so it's essential to know the rules in your area. In the United States, the U.S. Department of Transportation and the Society of Automotive Engineers set standards for motorcycle lighting. These standards cover aspects like color, brightness, and how the lights should be aimed. Federal motor vehicle safety standards, particularly Section 108, also dictate how vehicle lighting must perform to ensure safety on the road. Most states prohibit the use of flashing lights on motorcycles. This rule is in place to prevent confusion with emergency vehicles and to minimize distractions for other drivers. Typically, colors like red, blue, and green are reserved for emergency vehicles, meaning motorcycles cannot legally use these colors in a flashing mode. Some states do allow steady white or amber lights, but flashing versions are usually not permitted. For example, in Washington state, flashing lights are banned on vehicles unless they are specifically for emergency use. Other states, like Florida and Delaware, have similar restrictions, especially against blue or red flashing lights. If you are thinking about customizing your motorcycle lighting, it is crucial to ensure that all modifications comply with local and federal regulations. You can add auxiliary lights that are steady and meet the required standards for brightness and color. This way, you can improve your visibility without running afoul of the law. Using non-compliant strobe lights can lead to fines or even vehicle inspection failures. Additionally, you might be mistaken for an emergency vehicle, which could create dangerous situations on the road. When considering lighting modifications, always choose products that are compliant with the standards set by the U.S. Department of Transportation and the Society of Automotive Engineers. Proper aiming and control of light intensity are also necessary to avoid causing glare that could impair the vision of other drivers. In summary, motorcycle strobe lights are typically illegal for civilian motorcycles. Flashing lights are reserved for emergency vehicles. Riders should focus on modifications that comply with regulations to ensure safety and legality while enjoying their motorcycle.